All right, the car is back from One Life. It's got its Aura gloss white vinyl wrap, so good. And also, first time ever, white on white. White 4 stars, white car. I love it. And it's mine for like another couple of weeks, so I'm gonna say it's mine and I love it so much. Couple things to do. We put 235 GT radios up front, so a little bit more clearance here, so I'm gonna lower it down because that's not cool. So we gotta lower it, lock the ride height. On this Viper rolling bench here, couple things. I took the mirrors off to make One Life's life a little bit easier. So mirrors, door panels, tail lights, the final pieces of the interior to go back on. I got an anti-gravity battery because the battery that's in here is old gel cell junk and it just keeps dying and it's just a total pain. So new battery, and of course I wanted to give you the best cranking amps, serious cranking amps. Lock the rear ride height down and then start doing graphics. I mean, we have a bunch of graphics to put on this car, but it's awesome. This car does not have a full-on livery, which is great. So Alec and I should be able to knock out stickers today because we are winding down. Not much time left. We need to finish this car today because it's going in the trailer tomorrow and making its debut at Long Beach. So it's go time. Crazy how light these are. Look, crazy. What the hell? All right, let's fire this bad boy up. Oh! You see how fast that sucker cranked? All right, thank God, no more dead bat. Moving on. For all you vet guys, because I do know a vet, the batteries, like, can't just grab a whatever one and fit. H5 Group 47. I went with the 40 amp hour. That's just the biggest. It is a tiny bit more heavy, but weighs nothing more. But for all you C6 Corvette guys, this is the one you want. It bolted perfectly into the OEM location, and it actually is secure. I'm not just sitting it in there for nothing, but yeah, that's the guy. Anti-gravity part number right there. Let's lower this thing, dude. So we had them all set square and even, left, right, all of that. So I just marked, you see right in here, I just did a little Sharpie mark right on that perch. So when I spin it, I can count the turns. So it was pretty decently high. I'm probably gonna go like 5 turns and then see where that puts us. I think a little lower, dude. Better? Yeah. So Alec's gonna finish up the door panels, the mirrors, the door panels. I'm gonna go test drive this Mile Racer C606 with slicks in the rain. So wish me luck. Putting taillights on a car, very rewarding. Like, look, car looks not complete. Whoa, oh, looks like a car. Now it's time to make the car look like this. We have all of these stickers here. It's a lot more than I thought, but so obviously these are partners, Viper, K1, GoPuff. These are some of the partners of NEFT specifically for this build, Taxi Garage. And then we have some of our own partners as well, Part Shop Max, Borla, ACT, the people who provided parts for this car. So it added up to be quite a bit of logos, but it's go time. I think this is the last thing. And then a burnout, always a burnout. All right, as we wrap up this car, final stickers going on. We're at the end. I'm so excited to finally give this thing away. I'm excited to test drive it. I'm gonna definitely give it a little whirl, rip some donuts, see how she does some figure eights before we hand it off. There's still plenty of time for you guys to enter to win. So make sure you check the link in my profile. We'll put the link down below here. Explain why are you the future of drift, and you're gonna get chosen. So put some heart into it, put some love into it. The way that I think about this contest is like, so many situations, so many opportunities was I given when I was growing up and starting drifting. There were so many times that I was like, right place, right time, met the right person, and just kind of lucked out. And of course, you get a couple more of those and a couple more of those, and you get some momentum behind you, and then eventually you're doing it on a professional level, and you blink your eyes, and it's been, I guess, literally 20 years that I've been drifting. So I'm very excited to give back to somebody who deserves it, give back to somebody who maybe just needs their break, give back to somebody who really is going to take this car and help their skill progress. So very excited about that. It's a long road, got a couple more months until it's absolutely done. One thing that we're going to do, because we're going to bring the car to Long Beach, debut all three together. But when it comes back, we're going to put a clutch in it. We just didn't have time to put a clutch in it with everything that was going, rebuilding the race car, getting the C8 going, grid life, all of that. So the final thing before we hand it off is going to be the brand new ACT clutch. We'll obviously do one final bolt check after the first test drive, and then we'll be hitting the track with the winners. So look forward to meeting whoever you are, and for everybody else, literally enter to win. I want to see what you guys are all about. I want to believe that you guys are the future of drift and you have what it takes. But yeah, a couple more logos, burnout, load it up, Long Beach, end of the season. Hell yeah, here we go.